ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. I am very happy to speak on the occasion of Diamond Jubilee celebrations of our Indian independence. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಜಾದಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಗುರುದೇವ್ ಸುಖದೇವಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಿ, ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ, ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಫೇವ್ರೇಟ್ಸೇ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರ ಹೋರಾಟದಿಂದ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಲಿವ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಲಿ ಟುಗೆದರ್. ಬಟ್ I will take up Lal Bahadur Shastri as my person today. Shastri is a degree acquired by him. He is not by birth Shastri. It is a degree acquired by him, and he became Prime Minister of India in a very difficult situation. Nehru lived for 17 years as Prime Minister, and then when he died, the whole country was thinking, who is after Nehru? Can anybody fill that gap? Because he was a very charismatic leader, very popular throughout the world. But because of some policies, 1962 war on China had happened. We were defeated, and we were in Pakistan was thinking of something bad about us. He became Prime Minister at that level. And this short man, he was such a wonderful man. You name any virtue, anything that any leader, any human being should have. Honesty, he has. Integrity, vision, talk, managing things, everything. Whenever the Congress had any issues, they used to take him and then he used to solve. But he never aspired for any position. Whatever is given, he used to do and then keep quiet. So he held many positions up and down, and ultimately he was made. And seeing him, this short man, Pakistan decided we will wage a war and take away Kashmir. And that is the famous Indo-Pak War of 1965. I can talk more on that, but I will only tell you, when Pakistan tried to hit us from one end, he very cleverly engulfed Lahore. On this side, he caught Lahore and then choked Pakistan, that there were nothing to do. You must also understand there are so many other countries which never propagated that Pakistan started the war, because they were all siding Pakistan. Because that is, though Nehru was very famous, but he had put us in a very bad condition like that. Doesn't matter. We had a man who had a visionary who could manage the United States, manage all other countries, and then show them that India is capable of fighting the war. And how with the American modern weaponry Pakistan fell on us, but we defeated them. And then the Tashkent, where unfortunately he died. But I can tell you, as a Prime Minister of India, such a huge country, when he wanted to buy a car, he took bank loan. Can we imagine? Even a Panchayati member today, will get so much of money. But integrity, honesty, because when he became Prime Minister, corruption had already started in India. And to his dismay, though industries were all started, he noticed that there were no programs for the farmers. India is a country of villages. Gandhiji was always telling we should concentrate on village industries. But somehow Nehru had not done that, and immediately he concentrated and he gave the famous slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. It vibrated the whole country. And one example I will give you. When he was a minister in UP, one C.P. Srivastava, who later became his assistant and then wrote his biography, came as an officer, and he was asked to meet the minister and take advice from him. So appointment was given. He went. He went early, but he saw that already Shastriji is leaving to meet the chief minister. He noticed that Srivastava had come. He stopped. He didn't get into his car, called him, went back into his house, sat for 5 minutes, gave him some advice, and then said, anything, you call me. He was shocked. A minister, he would have simply told, okay, come some other time. He didn't do that. Then after 2 years, on a railway station, Shastri was the Indian railway minister, and he came down from a train and he saw Srivastav. Srivastav also saw him, but he didn't know, he had met him only once 2 years ago. Can I speak to him? Will he recognize me? He had a dilemma. At that time, all people gathered, and at that time, Shastriji turned, and then again he turned and he looked at him and then said, start walking towards him. Now Srivastav was in a dilemma, what to do? Is he coming to me? Has he recognized me? And you know what the words Shastri said? Arey Srivastav ji, yaad hai, mai Shastri. See, he is telling, I am Lal Bahadur Shastri, do you remember me? He is a central minister. That is the simplicity of a man. Today we are having lot of corruption, lot of issues where self becomes so much. It's a day, like our Prime Minister said, not to die for the country but to live for the country. So if you have to live for the country and if you have to make India proud, India again, which was 3,000, 5,000 years ago was ruling the whole world, if you want to do it, it is only possible if we emulate people like Lal Bahadur Shastri, who vibrated with nationality at that time. Even now we have come to the same stage. Nationality is everywhere, from the Jawans to farmers. Okay, so the whole country is vibrating. I, Dr. Uday Arvi, former head of mechanical engineering and now professor of mechanical engineering, take this very fine opportunity to wish you wonderful days and then a wonderful innings from now on to make India number one in the country. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai India.